reflections all I see. I reach out to touch sometimes, but nobody reaches me. On my own in this world, I call my home. Somebody save me now. On my own in this world, I call my home. Somebody save me now. Conversations pass, the world seems so bold. I want help but cannot ask, and my excuses all seem old. I reach again but still touch nothing.